using the Subinventory mode. Using this mode, you'll be able to create and update Item Subinventory Assignments, and also create locators for an item within a subinventory. First, you need to select the corresponding subinventory mode. Click on the Select Template and Mode functionality. Choose Subinventory. You can then create a new sheet with the subinventory template or click OK if you already have a tab with a subinventory template. The template name is displayed here and needs to match the mode selected. All our wizards contain dataset examples like this one, so you can have a better idea of the template layout and the functionality you are about to use. Let's take a look at this new dataset. We have downloaded a few existing items and we would like to assign these items to subinventories. On top of this, we can enter some attribute information like min-max planned, quantities. We can also enter a locator. To do that, you have multiple options. You can copy-paste this information from an external report. You can use all standard Excel functionalities like formula. You can also bring up the user form from the top ribbon or by double-clicking on the item you'd like to see. You can search for locators using the wildcard percentage and click on the 3 dots to perform the search. When you close a user form, it performs validation on the corresponding section. You can also validate the other sections by using the Validate option. Highlight any record you'd like to validate. Choose Validate Only, and then upload the selection. This option performs validation only, no upload in Oracle, and it will validate all the sections for the records highlighted. When you're happy with your dataset, you can then switch to the Validate and Upload option, and then upload all this dataset, choosing Upload Selected. The wizard will start with validation and process only the valid records to Oracle. The upload is complete. Most of the subinventory assignments were successfully uploaded in Oracle. They have the accepted status. Some of the uploads failed. You can see an error message to help you correct the error. The incorrect field is also highlighted in red. You can bring up the user form to correct this record. Double-click on this item to bring up the user form. You can then reprocess the subinventory assignments. You can use the Control key to select these two items and upload the selection.